I'll walk you through one of our latest projects we've been doing. I want to explain just a couple of things of some of the products we use, why we use them, and some of the benefits as well. So this one here was, we fenced all this off and closed this off, but what it used to be here was all this wall used to be over here, and then on the side of this we used to have a set of stairs running up to like a little enclosed landing, and all this was the existing part of the house. So this particular project we have put, I'll just show you from this side, we have put a big structural beam in up here, so that supports the existing house, and then all steel posts down to the ground to support all that, so we could knock that wall out and open that deck area right up. But one of the products we have been using is C-channel, so it's a steel. Probably wouldn't recommend it down the beach purely from the salt air and the fact that it will rust, but we just get great spans, and we can work to certain sizing so that we haven't got to put a middle row of posts in, because if we're putting extra supports in the middle and digging more posts, there's more concrete, it's more cost, and for us it's a light and easy material to use. So as much as I hate steel sometimes, and working with it, it's super effective for getting good spans for a lightweight. So you know, you're not going to have to worry about timber rotting, you ain't going to worry about rust or anything like this, because these are galvanized, so they're hot dip gal, so they got a good coating and protection on top of them as well. So yeah, super good for, I don't know, we've just started using them in the last few we've done, just for the fact that it's just so easy, quick, more cost effective option. But timber has its places, but yeah, for this particular scenario, steel worked really well. We have used an Axon cladding sheet over here to tidy this up, so this will just sort of modernise the house a little bit, and once that's all painted it should look very good. But it's like a fibro cement, kind of like your BJ sort of setup as well. So the other product we have been using is EcoDeck, so that's what it looks like. But yeah, recycled plastic, seamless screw fixings. All your fixings get screwed down in between here with these little packers, so you don't actually see any screws in it. It looks like timber product. You can get multiple different designs. You can see up there they have two, like one board, so this board, whichever way you flip it, has two different designs on it. So but yeah, super cool, easy to use, easy to work with, does shrink and expand quite big. I'll show you, we do have to leave quite a big spacing in regards to the gap sizing, so that's sort of the gaps we get left with, purely for the fact that once this heats up, these boards will close and you will almost be no gap there. But super important to make sure the gaps are there, because if they're not, yeah, you can start getting cupping and boards pushing where they shouldn't. So the other one, bifold door we put in, so big opening bifold door. It's got a single access door, so this one will just open by itself, so you don't have to open the whole door at every time. And then if you want to stack this whole door, it'll slide and stack the whole way across. So we've continued the Axon cladding up here, gyprock ceiling, and then we've re-enclosed all these eaves. The only other over here is going to be like a little barbecue area, so barbecue will sit in here. We put another tap up here, and we're going to have like a louver that goes in here that'll they can open and shut. But it's kind of what you're looking at from a deck, and then not a bad little view. So we're just waiting on handrails. All our handrails we use, Luke Barnes does them from Barnes & Sons, but we go with the powder coated aluminium, for the fact that low maintenance, don't have to paint, don't have to look after them. They're all powder coated, get whatever colour you want in the powder coating range, and they'll run all the way down, around and down to the bottom of the stairs. So